YouTube channel, and it's called Maci'S, as you can see there. And you guys, my fans, are going to call Maci'S Sweetheart. Mwah. And today we're doing a makeup tutorial, and we're going to be testing out some 4 perfumes. And we went to a very expensive makeup shop to get very expensive makeup for this video. So let's get started. I'm just going to put my head on, then we'll get started. Here we go. Okay, so let's get started. So first, I'm going to put on some eyeshadow. Like that. Don't want this. Do that colour. And just put it there. That's really good. Then I'm going to put some of the silvery gold, like for the wing, like that, over like that, and then just on the other eye. Boom. Do my bye. And just put that bad boy just on the sheet, I think. Who cares anyways? Well, the owners. So we're going to do some light bronzer, dark bronzer, blush, light blush, and dark blush. So here we go. You look quite weird, so if you don't recognise me, it's still me. Ow, shut up! It's not fine, not you guys, definitely not Maci'S Sweethearts. That will do. Look like a suntan. Now some light blush. Time for the lipstick. Now some lip liner. Oh no, it looks like a mustache. Then I can blend it in. Now time for the lip butter. Oh, I bought the lip butter, by the way, not lipstick. So here you go. Can blend it in. It's very hard being a YouTuber. You guys will hate being a YouTuber. I'm sure you will. But one day I'll be famous, so who cares? Hope you enjoyed my YouTube video. Sorry if I look very weird, but see you in the video. Bye!